The right headphones for children are about more than just fun designs at affordable prices. Safe headphones for kids also limit volume levels to protect young ears, which is essential when buying headphones. You should consider this if your kids will be listening to headphones from a young age. While their body is still developing, you want to prevent hearing damage and long-term issues. Hello everyone, I'm Shebabs32. Welcome to my channel. And for those of you who are returning, it's good to have you back. In this video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the VZV-26M Bluetooth Kids Headphone, a wireless foldable over-ear Bluetooth headphone with 105 limited volume just for kids, and also comes with 2 cat's ears. On the box, some general specifications which makes it an interesting device. LED light, wireless 5.0 chip, supports TF card, it has a headphone port or auxiliary cable port. One of the other options is microphone. You can talk on the phone hands-free. It comes with a rechargeable battery and it's got its control buttons. And without further ado, we're gonna open the box, check it out, see the build quality, how it works, and you guys can decide if it's worth it. So, after unboxing, these are the package contents. We've got a Bluetooth Kids headphone, 2 decorative cat ears, a charging USB cable. Normally, this kind of headphones come with a 3.5mm audio cable, but this one doesn't come with one. Talking about the specifications, this comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 version. Effective range is 10 meters. So the headset has been charged. Here we've got the port for the 3.5mm. This is the USB charging port. And here is where you're gonna put your mini SD card. This here is turn on and mode. This is to pause or play. You can also use this for calls. This here is down volume or reverse, or up volume or increase volume, or fast forward. That's basically everything. Going back to the headset, it comes with a built-in rechargeable 400 mAh battery, 3.7 volt direct current, which only takes about 1 hour to charge, and children can enjoy between 6 to 8 hours talk time and music time. We're gonna go straight ahead and charge. Just know that when charging, it lights. When fully charged, the lights go off. This cell phone also supports all audio devices that have Bluetooth capacity, such as cell phone, tablet, laptop, computer, etc. We're gonna see how to connect this headset via Bluetooth to one of our devices. To connect it to your cell phone, laptop, the first thing that we're gonna do is long press the off and on button, wait for a couple of seconds, and it turns on. The lights change automatically. Right here we've got the mode. If you short press this button, you'll be able to switch between the mini USB and Bluetooth. Right now you can see it's flashing. That means it's looking to connect to a Bluetooth. So let's go to a cell phone. And it's right here. Let's connect it and it's pairing. pair. So it's paired. Let's look for a song or a video or anything.
Have dropped drastically since these guys were last around, so there'd be way fewer whales for them to chomp down on. Whales have also gotten a lot smarter and learned new defensive moves.
Audio seems perfect. Audio seems okay. That's how to connect your Bluetooth. So we're going to turn this off. Long press to turn it off, and that's it. As I mentioned earlier, it has an inline mode to connect the 3.5mm audio cable, so you can freely switch to wired mode just to keep the music going when the battery is used up. Unfortunately, this one doesn't come with a 3.5mm audio cable. You're gonna have to get one yourself. The cushion on the ears are not that soft. I've bought better headset which are very soft, but it's acceptable. I only hope it doesn't make lots of pressure on the ears or on the head. As per functions, this headset will allow you to answer or reject phone calls anytime, anywhere. You can always charge it via USB. It's convenient and it's very practical. And you can always insert your SD card, which is not included, and enjoy your music at any time. We're going to talk a little bit about how to insert or use your SD card. To use the mini USB, long press to turn on. Get your mini USB. By default, it starts searching for a Bluetooth device to connect to. You place your mini SD card, clicks, and then it's automatic. There's gonna be times when maybe you already have your SD connected. You turn on the headset and it starts searching for a Bluetooth device automatically. What you just have to do is you short press the same button again. That's your mode button, and that will connect to your mini SD card. So let's try it. Just once. So that's it. This is your play pause button. It's the same button you use to receive calls. So and this button is for the next song. If you press it, next song. Short press to go back. If you long press, that will control the volume. So you either decrease the volume or increase the volume. In summary, this is not a perfect headset, but it does come with a foldable design, which is good. It comes with adjustable length hinges, which is also quite nice, and it's very easy to carry around. Hope this video has been helpful and has given you enough information on the VZV-26M Bluetooth Kids Headphone. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and hope you've learned something in this unboxing. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Ciao.